Hello everyone, this is ongoing water supply. We are laying the pipe, we are laying the outside pipe. As you are watching this video, please lift my work, raise my work. This is the tap, the outside tap. Maybe if you want to wash clothes, you can fetch water there. Want to wash car, you can fetch water there. As you are watching this video, please drop drop your comment at the comment section. See, very nice, very nice and neat work. This 5 bedroom flat. This house is 5 bedroom. There's one flat, but it's 5 bedroom inside. All na masters. All na masters. It's very neat work. Another tap there at the back. Very nice. As you are watching, don't forget to share so that others can see it. See, very nice. This one is washing machine. This one is the tap at the back of the kitchen. If you come out from the kitchen, this one is another tap there. As you are watching, please like and share this video so that I can post more. Thanks for watching. Please share this video.